come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Jamaica.
Maybe some.
Oh boy, wait there.
Wait today.
Why is there a problem? My phone sound what to buy a going. Why?
Maybe some. We are poor home penny. You know you're quite baby so I said that. They say what time mother you after my life. Why?
I'm just concerned.
Concern of what?
Oh. Your father's issues. I know you might not be well because of those things. That's why I wanted to approach you and ask about it.
I don't know, be a some. Iddi.
You're my friend.
You to madam for you to make pass and who dig.
Iddi. Then I'll advise you.
Who advise you the family? But pass him. I said,
oh yeah, don't tell me. Like, how can I advise you? Oh, come on. Tell me.
You say then opposite.
What's he saying? Papa Wayne. Or Machanana.
Honestly, said yeah. Well, I am not one whole father that mamma can be any class and catch all. I say more I bomb, I'm some mamma can.
Say it. You say the thing, say it.
On this is it or should demo? I just want to say black news, who headmaster knows, just say any school, a EB will be a news.
Hey, then it's serious. So, what are you doing about it?
Huh?
What are you doing about it?
Oh, maybe the headmaster Obama knows mamma and can't you be about me? One of the latch
Because you need me.
Huh?
Oh.
Me make calm me action not to Masumano.
That's the best idea. I was so quite reporting to police because right now, if the police people find out about this, you also be in trouble.
Who is also be?
Share. I'm being serious. My uncle is a police.
If I be in trouble, you too, you be in trouble because
how?
No.
The thing is, you are the boyfriend, though. And then it was because of you that they hit the girl. In Ghana's law, they will arrest you. Oh, I'm serious.
Come along.
Listen. You have to if you don't report, they will arrest you too because you've witnessed something and you have not arrested anybody.
Hey, me papa no.
Oh, your father too. If they arrest me, you're going to be free in this week. You can even date 10 girls.
Hey, bestie.
You see your house. You don't have anybody there. We are arresting this. What do I say? Do you understand? You can do anything there. You can send girls there for sleepovers and all that. But right now, can you send girls there?
Baby.
Can you send girls there right now?
Baby.
I'll come and teach you there.
There be baby.
Say the better there.
Oh, bye, Tiasi. And I be say Tiasi and Quadi make report Papa say no Quadi and me met me actual movie.
I'll not do it, but I can link you up with other nice girls.
So a bad influence.
No, I'm not a bad influence. I'm trying to be there for you as a friend. Though, because if you witness a crime and you don't seek for the arrest of the person, you also be arrested. And right now, this person that they are arresting, it will cost your freedom.
Oh, then I will jeff him, Papa.
Your father is no good. You know your father is no good. Oh, behind himself, Papa. Someone arresting a call could do like 2-5 years. We know, but no, a changed person.
Hey.
So right now, are you with me or not? Because right now it's like I'm talking in vain.
I didn't Papa there once say I see me here I say like Ubenya nan come na call reporting ya be china to
I'm just concerned. I'm caring for you.
Concerned keke no.
So right now will you listen or not? So that I'll just go. At this point I feel like you're not listening.
But me freedom dey can me action.
So when will you go and report? Me I can follow you there.
Master Sima me bo bia man ya. To me there apart from me to me go.
Stop fooling and you have to go.
Hey, you are insulting me.
You are playing dumb. You are being dumb.
You insult me.
You have to go. Else they will arrest you.
I will involve you. So eyewitness, you were there.
At this point, I feel you are not listening to me.
Oh, I'm listening. It's a good idea. Me, I like freedom.
So it's a good idea. Will you do it or not?
I will not. How?
Scanty. Ofremi ofabra dabe dia sempa me shame baby share my dear bomb masters na ma men shawo mo na wo hamsa adai dia sem
obanya abotre na mincheche
what enti wuni asem kra wo ka
ofa asem na ba ma mincheche
dia asem
so bibia na wo bu di kan ofisi
dia asem
ofa yi say black me mo na say black e frame say or name won komo ana me ko didi nkomo na say nkomo ni nyina nko wie se akra no mene amaba no opese ekoko yedie ni ana me say sesen
me bawo wo to ba bi na say black
me betim da bi no frame ana me say
wo no wo nkomo
me kwa de wo kan kra man fa ni serious
take time don't rush yourself. Are you listening to me? What you no say black in a frame.
I'm not frame
said ye
so ne me won komo na me ko ye no say opese mene amaba no se ne asem na kwa ko opese me yakuye die ni
like how say why doctor or doctrine course that be
family on job me family kan kra man funny serious na me meni na headmaster so frame sa na on headmaster na edi hun komo na on headmaster ina se yankonko ya akra ni die ni because ono so na ne hyehyɛ dem fro cheche mu kire ona ono so ne wo nko ade akra ba mu di akra ne bitima ya ne ba
not say black no so ne amano no mo hyehyɛ ho
no mo hyehyɛ fa na make no phone so bebrebe na wo so de mentia wo ba
kan bebre na mente enti say
o se na ono so ne ama hyehyɛ wo ne di akra no ono so suspect say ne ba because ono so ye calculation bi at time am de the fuel flow no o ye calculation bi hu onim say nyensan no na ne dia enti ye nkoya akra ne die ni
ana so ujitum
that be of me o kan na me dem am fa ni serious na me say so waka me dem minti am onum na headmaster so frame sa on headmaster ina na atena se aka bu mafo madwen wie no mmienu do manu gu me so say ye nkonko ye die ni mo frame tena se ye nko ye die ni nko ye die ni nti pressure na ene ano no dose me so na me so okay ene ye nko na ye nko ene ne ye hu bebi anokro bi ada ofa beje di say dano so ne ye adwen say me ne say black ene amako ama mu fi o say ye kwakọ fa akwa na kwakọ ye die ni na ye kodru ya ama nua ama sister no hwe akra no so ofio no ye duru say akra na ye referee fio
hey na okwa wo mi du ho yaw enti na wo right be na wo say won twen ma me ma na futu pre ko pa so no mu ko DNA test
of me no mo as o maka
enye wo na hwe akra no me na me hwe akra no since eyi nyina me na me hwe no say wo ama no say wo fi say wo ni say black no e wo bibi a e wa ma me bota aka no okay obetime nka pa sakwasi asem na odi no na wo bi akase ya cha wo ma wo so ntinka wo kwa kwa DNA test anti say akra no we
ofa akra no wa ira na ye hu no
wo hu na wa fa ama no mekọ akoto no what wo no wo si akra na ira hwembre dudu ama hwa akra we bra ma bre hweka mabo
fa na say ko ye ko DNA ni na say akra no ko say black da na ye ka bo no ina
wa cha na betu mo ka na ka dem de be nche wo mu no
ofa aba ne de menye lose ofa
o ka no fire de wo ka ade na won ka sa na nka ofa na nka matua na sa ma ye bibi ye wo ka no fire de
ofa da bi say
ye nyina wo no akofa we nyina aba na ama no on twan no obehu
parliament
na say black no wa fo na fofra ona mo no nya bi obedi wonya bi obedi wa nsin say yin wo anensam no nya bi obedi on e kwasia ne ni chimi no sabe mumu fasa de ne makura wudi obehu de ebesi ubehu poti bi so
ofa o se se amena o ofa
short time wo bana onu nti wo se me ma meja no wo yi asese mejeja me ho ama ne me bu ho no mama fa me fodo da bia me ka kire ho bibi sei wunim se me office what ma twen ya me refi no afa na abatu meja asa wo ba so wo ba gina kuma de ohu enti wo hwe me pani a we mama benja kwantin fi twen wo na ye masa meka chobuka za kwa we so we jijefo akoba kume akọ jijefo won medical ku se me kume wo asama da no na ye ka me to warning se me mpese meti asam no ba bia no e ba ne se na wo ni ai sa Adam Scanty ni kodi sa asam no nkomo o papa na pese okuna na so pese e chi nutum talk to me kwasia ya no udi nkomo chichiru release
Anyamio.
I don't know why any Adams could do him common.
You didn't come. You didn't come on and I'm come sign. I mean, Yashenka. I'm sitting now by saying, I said, to be on any gay. akono mababa omoda honoma mo kan sem che so ni ninja nyina obebo ogun na nsa
akoya bua advance me kejo say
ase mo ye kache wa so ye kan say wa
so onyu yinedi advance yinedi
oh me na me ka say me nyi wadi na so de okeka koi wan hwe ni a obama masam adwen o
headmaster me don't timi nyimedi
yebeyi wadi yebeyi wadi
headmaster oni
yebeyi wadi
onim
wo so yo ji so bokumi a wo iti ma wudi mi ko fenti de wo ye mi eye
no so otwempa
Jacob Salu ohun de bia ntete ya de ma akola no ye ka wo ma ye nka akola na so won say de abaso wa wo mene so ohun
obrentu gina kiti u di akiti eche ma me makodem u di akiti eche ma me wanche
da say wo be third person me di ka achiro obi le bi do asem de o ka bia be third person
wini modo woto wini modo na dia na ya so ko ye
me ye dia na ni be ni si ni be ni na
me menti so papa ho
emesa bono emesa bono
me make my poster bi
emesa bono
make my kawo
emesa bono
so we are be ma ho se bio wa no ne ka sa asem fun no sa ka bio
Sofia wusi mi so ya mi nana jo mi bo mpa yesu wusi na o di ma asem nam
Jimmy
wo kama asem o
ya che o si tuma be o de na nim kam se fufufu
wo nim run about
the same papa
so papa de Jimmy enti e ba ka
radi nyakopo o ba Jimmy fo eyo o ba Jimmy fo
Jacob Salu so de bia kola no Jimmy na ye ka wo ma ye nka so
wonye na se me se yinedi me be wo ye konfo
wonye me yinedi mano mokro no wona ase enya wana na so onya konfo de na wawia wawia bi bi mada
abo unwe de wa
wawia hwe se ya chew se ya nche me obiko school ate akete Jacob Salu monko mapre
ma se yenkwa yi
yenkwa na ate
o de wo kono nka yenkwa wa ye fe ho adu
mo adwen
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we me ya me pesa me come any months
me titin simbi wo school ma e bien sem na me tete Matthew yes wo see ehia meme na kora no ama ba no brita ba no yenkoye DNA test na unnu ho bibi metin sam no but ka kunsu de yegine kokuo num eti no mafre wo abegina no e ba ne sei na nkonyin se no fa ho bai so yenkoye DNA test anako e na e ma ho bebon e dia
imai adintina wo pre wo sa obaye ensima otiri nyina nokore it is nothing but the truth ama brita ban akora no enye wo fast ne ba ena enye wo so nana me say black me ba me moja sabi me be ma anunsuo eni akora no oso bisa me say e ba ne say me say akora ne me ba na obaye na mabeti
na da obaye na ujia me di kotokura simutrima na asa me de curtain ply me awcha
na so obaye so wunya abotena ne me kasa
ala me check obaye na my holding curtain ply to catch your show na say me the second simutrima na say my order
eni mai me say akora no say black yemi tina he edubu ampo mia me ba na nya wo fa ase ase wo na no se odi eni ba mia me ba
aye dai na koye wo ba dai
is opusu nunum wo be so otiri nunum kan ho
na me mpe kan ti anka me kwa kopusu nunum
eni yi wo so na me kan kire
me yi maso me bisaw dai
ma me kase obi se kase ma me kase
on sam na wo ka em freni ma se na sam na tan na wa sam nsisi nsam so
is o ba no the offers the catch no you are standing by it
no
what
happened between you and Amabrita? What happened
before say Amabrita ebe school hanu no na me din na na e wo hono ene onyi say ye me hu ba bia Amabrita e fa ye biem me hu yan so ba school mo nto ba I made a sign of cross say na go pon me de wase so the ababa we aba school mo anom because me ba be hu ba bia me ba ne wo ama breta de me body dwane ye imaye in fact me brave pa asana meet me hu say o da kro aba hanom
tima bisa won semfu amensa me go to Ghana law me go to Ghana constitution
yeah
me ba so we were here Ghana constitution law 62 article 116 adentina akora no dada wo be hu ni school mu ha no wo wantimi anka asem no na afi na wo be kasa asem
say my you call yourself a teacher and you are asking me this question who say akora no be school
me ne wa wo baba tu wo school mu ha say wo nenam ha my misa question sa to now ama shakora na wie duba ka kasa wona abu
menti de o kan
wo chimi so ya akora no ho ate
hwe
fa wo chimi fa so ya akora enya me pa na ye iPhone 17 ne gwa me anka me si di ahwe
fabo nya hwe
na me chimi sam di iPhone 17
fabo
he fa wo chimi so akora no ho se wan pa wo chimi antwu ho mfira akora no ho he madre ebe yo fe ka check me jow sa akoda
chimi nya hwe
na memo wo hu ade ko
e wo fa si jimi wo be kanya sase wo
be akra be je hwe tete dwa se ayi asese dwa ni atwa akra no ogina ho no wan fa sa champion trainer sun ti so no am tun wo mfra akra do so na ho ade a wo be hu no
me nyanse
ade a wo be hu no se won ko DNA test
ye be DNA ye be ye
wo de maka kire
wo ye oba wo be kun to kwa ma
me sha akra no
wo ti mi sha wo me de nyansa na atrem nyansa no
wo ko to so for top next so na di jimi wo school
o boa me catch say ma ye
so for top next so no wo be twiri batteries
o boa wo ti mi nya hwe esi akwa me ba me wo ti mi nya hwe bi to nya ma nya hwe wo ni de
address keke kwa
o boa
e keke
o boa
you me catch
no of us no you have beaten more than you can you muti nya bibia
me ko ye DNA test wo ko ye AA test
usi mu say
dan course
imaye usi mu say
abuwatsa
me nyansa ntina akwa base kuma me ye di because akwa ba so bi
ade me ni akwa na nyem can't do same so what
are you not ashamed of yourself
can't do same
why can't you shame
stupid teacher like you
man like you
idiot busting
nonsense
bastis
what is bastis
na wo nim de
what is bastis
so nim he
itina preku wa sumo no
why
apreku wa mo to bo asumo yi na so bo afo agem
apreku hwa ayi ne papa no de na
we de be ye che wo de oboa
pani ne de poma de nam de wada nam de
ya fa ni fitu bu no de yo
na ma se ne hwa ma se ne hwa
we de be o ko akọ me ka che
to se wo dada ene wo da hye kotonu jeans
kabede
wo
obede
dem di shoe pani pa na wo hwa ahoma wo de wo behu
hey asem me ka che
me say ma
ka ye baby saw
no DNA test
you will not represent the DNA test we will do that
stupid
man be chamba da fani kiesi wa gwan cause asem kura
are you want to tell me the patois
yeah
do you want me to speak patois
bombo
clap
me dear pan
you deaf man what
yeah you know you me patois my me patois patois
your casa
patois me can patois spell patois
let me be your teacher ni luna be catch some patois o any
yeah abon
and seminar me titin brita me be say wasem brita me come ma me na me come ma me see e dey na wo ni say black and them dia
na you say nam wo no krom wo no na me ne Scanty wo no time ana o twetwe ne ho na sia say black
and day
and o ka che me say o ne me bet
we she shame on you. It's what you say come to shame. Not even just a shame. Not even just a quarter shame. Say and now you could and tina ka me bobebrebe na me boka bebrebe and into wama me help Brita me the medication background na egu form no Brita na rest the Allah ka wo be hu me ka be hu me true bad of true colors ka be hu me different colors one people and it's woman me boka can go say the be gu me with him atem kasa anyhow who is so agile? Who is so agile? It's me, say black ba. Me man up to China, meet me Akurano. So one flag Kurana ma on Brita. Kachi. Brita, and Kasa Brita. Brita, Debbie. Don't you ever
No.
listen. Yeah, I say me here Kurano me nana. Me here no. Me you.
Said DNA now was a quiet test. Coffee, I cry me one.
Akurano away. Hey, and count the cow. Hey, pampers amato. Lato jean. And creamy and baby skirt. Just a near man. Show him. Sure, remember child the enemy pit. Your teachers what are you teaching your balance? I go if you will see. Be some top rot. My top rot. Remember 4 years from now to send me you and no nothing. I need the children. Now. I need the children. Oh, no, me come on, you know. Now, make a can be boom. All I need for your side is the daughter, or a children, or a baby. Stop it while you are girl. Who did me? Mammy Dimmy Machi. A mammy Dimmy me or Machi. A me Dimachi.
My
Stupid girl. What from me? We know. Eh? And you didn't say about when you saw a gonna tell. It's almost a black we know that. I come to shame Brita. Brita come to shame.
Say my
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Your headmaster, Adai, ono say black na ne ho. E di DNA test and ho pe am pass ye nkwaye. Misraw, me fellow pa. Chwo frasem wem. Misraw pa.
Waba no nya abotre. Wunni ho nsem pie sisi akiri. Waba ti asam instead so benya abotre no bisa me said near na ekoso no. Wudi ebufo gidi. Ya abdia wuyi. Abotre na ese wunya. Say chains. Abotre na ese wunya. Wunni honom asemasi wachi. Nea wu kan se bi entimi fa yani enhwa ankasa akola na ese black bar na ase wo ye scanty bar. Ye hwe ne sa yenye yi. Senate bia na just nya evidence and senate hu sa akola no wo say black bar and ase wo ye
headmaster wonya fi adme matete kwase ese wudi ko pa police fo bia mo ma beba me
dey be akola na ye
ma police ni bia ma asem ni me bia ma investigation police ni bia afene me
say yes penye ofie no bia na wonwuram wuni honom na asa asamasu scanty ayo wo fa ase na se maginam na maye we abone amaye
daddy chon pra asem ni misraw emfa wo me folim na wo de kwa enkan wo de kwa su asini su yenkan you fra asem ni na dey say black na go fence on kwa DNA test
say hu de no kra
da bay no ne akoda na chiche ho ono nem skum anya de ho no obia preti bepi Allah wallahi obia de bepi
say you see kan me mentiase on sa asamaba me epanyi wuni ho maginam na say me ka asam na say de yi ato yi a wo ba ya obu
headmaster me say twa ho free asem nim emfa ho nkowuram twa ho free na sa black no woni baby a obia
na say ne wuni ho na say wachi bibi say a me ni ho kwa sa me kasa na
twa ho free na dwena wo de ho why headmaster twa ho free asem nim
hu me na me nam de na
me bi adu say enko edie na test say na me mpese school mu ha no de na school mu de free say ba no ne
senya die na hu de
headmaster twa ho free na won sam kura ne na ma wo yire kokan yire asem wo yire kone kokan wo yire
de na me ya me kokan me
kone kokan yire de na de ye koso school mu an ebe pie say black one tumi be no wo friend sam ko edie na test e kwa dey Mr. Opaku frasem nim for come police ni bia I will do my investigation.
Now who is CID?
I say I will do my investigation. I'm not a CID, but I'm more than CID. I will show you Stay away from this issue, headmaster. I told you.
Can't make the laugh out. Make it a munchi. Hey, it's a change party. Minya pan and kebasa mano. Extra time class on Sanko Tenefi. What about confusion? What about your car? Some mama, some giddy na see always. We are CID. A boss has some own brofa walker. Yet, show about to Sabaka brofa because we treat teacher. Won't tell brof.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any monster meya. Oh Lord.
Akwara say na me adum on type body mother Aroma. Eyi abefu. Let me say so. This is winning focus na party church so there. So enko baby police station baby. Bom.
What the baka? But say black. What the be any say black in Kawai?
Hey,
headmaster.
Headmaster, what David, one catch him say 2 wrongs do not make 1 right. Say be konkon we Jimmy a the otin so di we me. Can you tune for be?
What's up with the matter?
David headmaster we be dum bie. Headmaster, you what to kokko so nana. Headmaster me be.
Say black we need me to come na.
Headmaster what Aroma? Headmaster we go to Jim.
Ka wanu tumi en kasa.
Headmaster.
And then me headmaster. And then wo pemasem. Oh, headmaster di matem. Headmaster could see could feel my background to me matem. And then they all catch him.
Se me manuko obi asem bi man. Nyankopo aso go ntua meka. Se manuko obi me so obi asem obi bi manu beka bi. Me se me na baby di o.
Is that you?
Me. Kenya me kura be tuam, nyame kura be kumi kura firi asem. Me.
Yes ni panye. Me ni.
Headmaster me.
No didn't say something.
Be so on.
Headmaster me.
90 wonder.
Me. Oh. Headmaster, Mrs. Asaman to asam tum le mu se samo do me. Asam tum se.
And then me do.
Oh.
And now na buru mu nua no. And now no di matam buru mu nua.
Headmaster, any is the work of devil. Se say no.
Devil no baby devil one wa.
Is it what devil mu?
One wa.
We tukwa
kakra wo.
Kakra ba ko fo wuti school hanum na. And students are boy. Teachers are boy. Caterers are boy. Will be a nyaso school. Hey, I didn't come rain and talk. Come waiting. We were raining everywhere.
Master me, send me pa me.
And idea
me, Manobeko be asem. Me, J, Manobeko be asem. Me. Me, dear, you so yeah, the
come salute.
Yeah.
Come salute.
Master.
Ewa.
Me say, we are Bibi and Tom Fensuan dio.
Maybe say ewa.
Master me, you see my finger me. Finger me.
And you cram home brass here.
Sure, Master. Mr. Semi by him who says I made them empire ball. Empire ball hold.
Say black.
And I do me now. Headmaster, me see. Me see.
I don't trust you.
Headmaster, Bible says Kwasiano wants an argument.
So you are foolish.
Me must say some arguing.
Now you Kwasi, I say the obedience.
Me being say my body for fraud.
We sure.
My fuck Christ, say me cry my denkwa.
Headmaster, we the message say we do one betu. Abo we Jimmy no Jimmy. They say you know it and say what say
Kenyans same kakara. Eluso me say.
On say you haven't changed. On say say.
Aso say on say if we are soon so wo kan so ma. No hu baby fin baby a odi be sie.
E na e be na mi bu say Kwasi no de Jimmy no Jimmy.
Oh okay.
Hey, mama nka asamba. Ya say we dey aponche. E kwa America ba cry so obesu ane me. No.
Debi headmaster
abo preko su dwane say dey ko be say ko that chim. Etu I know say we be say ko that chim bi. You haven't changed.
Me.
Crocodile the John have
me.
MK.
Me. Hey. Me.
Say black. Anyway, in order not to prolong things, I don't trust him anyway. But if you trust him, fine. So that's your choice. But I don't trust him. All the same, I'll see the girl. We'll talk to her and see how we could make things
because the other one to church.
Bunko to join Denasi. Bunko to join Denasi.
And you were headmaster.
According to
headmaster.
Oh, my I remember 1 week. You will change.
With him to
yeah, from when you said headmaster, made my brother to church.
Say black. I have a lot to do.
Okay, so we meet there.
Headmaster, me baby, my one.
I'll handle the rest later.
Headmaster, me baby, my one.
No pen on my mouth. Men ka asem ye.
Dey be say me be.
Dey be ni open men ka asem.
We be say dey twe one was like can.
Yeah.
Hey,
We money we be say dey twe one like can.
Iddi, okay, I'll be in the office very soon.
You know me say.
Me be
only me say me yonko no, me no nti bone.
Enyo yonko ni mi o. Wo yonko ni mi. Wunya mi abi odi ye me wo yonko ni mi.
Say dem si no tie pa mi si dowi.
Wo do me.
Bibi na okra de menka wasam da bibi be ko be bia mi ta wo.
Bibi how come asem. Froko no a em kan sim bia ho tiri wonti. Obedi na say black me do. Do you love me? Wo do me anka wonka matira asem da wo.
Me ka wo tira asem.
Oh fro. Wo me time for close what time and say wow so wo do me.
Froko no radi asem na ba pa ni enya mi sei. Ko se black. Wonim sa ahwe a wo timi ejina ho eye mi sei. Headmaster why you say Jemile Kutu?